bang, bang.
Good evening, everyone. Today I will be speaking on a very hot and burning topic that is very much in news and also causing problems all around the world. Yes, it is the inflation that is going all around the world. So we will understand this inflation in 5 terms. The first, what is inflation? What are the causes behind the inflation? Then the relation of India with the inflation, the challenges, and at last the solutions. So starting with what is inflation? So inflation, I would like to start with an example. So example is that suppose you were eating one samosa around 7 to 8 years back with rupees only 3 to 4, but later it shifted to 5 rupees per samosa. Later it shifted to 6 to 7 or 7 to 8. And right now one samosa is around 10 to 15 rupees cost. So this is basically inflation. In simple words, inflation is the increase in the prices of all the goods and the services, or simply the essential daily use commodities which are in whose prices are daily increasing day by day. And inflation can also be understood by if one's salary is increasing with a speed of 2x and the prices in the market are increasing with a speed of 4x. So this is also a cause of this is also inflation only. And there is also one more term, that is the hyperinflation. So hyperinflation is basically when the prices of the essential commodities of the daily use increase suddenly by 30%. That is hyperinflation, which is currently Sri Lanka or the Venezuela and many other countries are facing. Now, what are the reasons behind this inflation right now? So this all inflation start since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic and the lockdowns, when the all over the world the supply chains and the trade went low, like the supply and the demand were fluctuating continuously, that increased the prices of the many things. And the other is the increasing price of the crude oil, as right now 1 barrel crude oil is costing more than $100. So this is also a reason behind the inflation. The other reason is the Russia-Ukraine war, which has impacted the whole world from the last few months, which has not just broken the supply chains which were recovered after the COVID, but also increased the price of the wheat and the oil, the edible oils and many other things. Other reason is the America's dollar is continuously getting stronger, as the America's Federal Reserve has increased the interest rates, and all over the world's investors are putting their money in the American stock markets, which is causing the fall in the other countries' currency. As recently many currencies have fallen down, like the India's own, like the euro has for the first time came equal to the $1, and also the Japanese yen, which has fallen 17 times, greatest, and also the Turkey's currency also fell. So now talking about the India and the inflation, so it can be easily understood that the price of rupee in front of the dollar has fell to 80 rupees, like $1 is equals to 80 rupee. And recently also the government has introduced 5% GST on the essential commodities like the paneer, doodh and the packed items basically. And also recently during the Russia-Ukraine war, India increased the import tax on gold from 7% to 12%. This is also clearly shows that how inflation is affecting India. And as India is importing 80% of its crude oil, so it's clear that inflation will be in India, because transportation is the backbone of the today's economy, as everything depends on the transportation and the crude oil. Now talking about what are the challenges in front of the India. So very first challenges are over dependence on the crude oil, that is impacting our economy. The second is that we are exporting less and importing more. That is why our currency is falling down, and we are not getting benefit of that. The other challenge yes, is the economic instability all around the world. As India's neighbor, if we look at the Sri Lanka, we have given around $4 billion loan to the Sri Lanka, which is also from our own pocket only, from the Indians, from the India's currency, from the forex reserve only. So this is also impacting us. So now what can be the possible solutions or the way forward? So firstly, it is the urgent need that we shift towards the green energy and reduce our dependency on the crude oil. Other is there is a dire need of self-reliant India, as we have to stop our imports on various things and start exporting more and more, so that we can also decrease our trade deficit, and we should start earning like the China is doing. Like right now China is exporting all over the world, that is why its currency is not falling that much. So that was all about the inflation. Thank you.